hello, little sprout. Yes. What are you doing? Yeah, I'm removing all of the folded towels. Yes. I must get all of them and throw them on the floor with a vengeance. Oh, Kate. Oh, most definitely throw the stripes. Yes. Oh, look. Snowman. Oh, I might keep that one. Yeah. Oh, but Santa's going to need to go. Oh, and definitely the vegetables, if I can reach them. Oh, yeah, he is pretty important.